restrict your presentation within 10 to 12 minutes max, because we have very short time in this session.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, sir. Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to present our implementation of the manufacturing process for AHS platform. AHS platform is the indigenous design and the development equipped with arrestor system for the LCNW aircraft. As we know, on the 10th January 2020 was our most bright day, because at that time the indigenous design developed aircraft LC aircraft is landed on the aircraft area with the equipped of the arrestor the system. That arrestor system is the first kind of the air system which is using for arresting the aircraft on the deck with the sorted distance or the minimum distance. So now I am going to introduce my team member is there. So Mr. Subbu sir, Swapnil Kumar Soni, and Sunil Soni, Devyarajan Kushti, Chandrasekhar, and Subramanian and Sinu. These are my team members. I'm going to. So today discussion agenda is our.
Sir, please continue.
Today agenda is the first our going to. Sir, you are able to see the slide, sir?
Yes, we are able
Yes,
to see
yes.
the slide, but just keep your mic a little distance from your mouth, because it is just echoing.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Our first is introduction we are doing, then project summary, methodology, whatever used for manufacturing of the arrestor system, then innovative aspect and the improvement we have implemented in arrestor system, then challenges we have faces to making of that arrestor system, then government practice we have followed to certification and demonstration of that arrestor system, and which are the benefit we got for CNCs of ARDCHL, and the final is the conclusion. So now I'm going to introduce, as we know, that LCNAV is the first indigenous design and the development aircraft by the HAL ARDC division. For arresting of that aircraft on the aircraft carrier is needed the arrestor system. So arrestor system should have a capability, it has the coming the load of 4 to 4.9 of its landing weight. So it is the more successfully of arrestor system is depend on the manufacturing accuracy of the platform, which all are the control and the system of the aircraft and the structure. When we are going for project along with objective we have taken, then because this
Sir, there is a problem in your audio. I think
Actually, it's echoing a lot, so we are not able to hear you clearly. So, do you have an earphone or so that you can connect with the audio system directly, or mic?
my 1 minute.
Yeah.
Sir, we have some objective we are taken by doing that project. So now I'm audible, sir.
It's similar, sir. It's the same.
actually a lot of echo is there.
Where is the mic? Where is the mic? It's on your desk. Sir, I guess we'll have to continue, otherwise we'll lose on time. So
Yes, that's true.
you can continue, sir.
Sir, okay, sir. We have taken during that project some objective, but methodology we have stabilized without this. There is no methodology available. Next, then manufacturing dimensionally and parts should be accurate, because when landing the aircraft on the aircraft carrier, the accuracy should be good. Then elimination of the manual work through using of our automatic system and the CNC machines. Then our utilization of the existing sources, because for developing of the new product or new technology, it will cost the company very high. So we have to go for utilization of the existing sources. Then first is the utilization of the CATIA V5 software for which have the fully advanced facility. Then we have methodology we have adapted when we got the design and drawing. When we got the design and drawing from the designer, so we have studied for design and the part model. Then we have decided the blade size is the required for that part is the 165 mm of thickness. So 165 of the thickness, then selection of the machines and tools. So machine we have selected of the availability of the, we have Roku by CNC machine. We have the specification of the 2.5 meter by 1.7 into 1200, which have the facility of plus minus of 90 degree. Next. So as we know, the arrestor system is the line between the station 30 to 33, and for it is engaging with the tie rod with the aircraft positioning. So over the station, then all total load is coming on the platform. It has the linkage of the 45 of assemblies and sub-assembly of the aircrafts. So for adapting that, we have made the 3 setup for manufacturing of this assembly: setup 1, setup 2, and setup 3. And we have predetermined the operations whatever required for the different tools, dia of cutters. But we have taken the roughing operation, finishing operation, drilling, and outer profile. Because there is a length, the thickness of the component was the 165 mm, so it is required the use size of length cutter. Next. So now innovative aspect and the improvement we have taken, as earlier we have told, we have taken the CATIA V5 software. We have the advanced facility of manufacturing the tool part generation. Because this is the first time we are going to make in the thickness of the 145 mm. So the scooping out material, and directly we are converting to 200 kg part into 50 kg. So scooping out material is a lot of scooping. So we need some advanced thing because so many times we have changed the program and the tool. Next, it was CATIA V5 software we have used for manufacturing that programming. We have the advanced feature. So that main BF faces a lot of challenges for manufacturing this part. Earlier we planned for making the 165 of the material blade thickness, but due to the unavailability of the material and material constraints, then we have go for 145 mm. Because the advantage of making the 165 mm is that because to scooping out the material, it having the parallel surface to the bed. When during the machining operation, all the vibration will be transferred to the machines. And so it is because our main motto is the 2-dimensional part, and this part is precise and tolerance should be mentioned within the required design and design. Then, so that when there is a warpage will be created, then the warpage, due to the warpage and vibration, the thickness we are unable to achieve. Then we have to go 145 mm thickness of material. So in that case, we have adopted the constant angle of machining strategy. Because due to unavailability of material 165 mm thickness, the 145 mm of material we have planned and manufacturing this part. Because this part having the, for making the 145 mm material thickness of material, the constant angle is set where all the program is going to multex. So in the multex, there are chances of creating the more warpage deviation in the parts. So as we can show, we have shown the position when we are going to a multex program. So there the tool and the block position all are inclined in the 15 degree. So the speed and the proper parameter is required for manufacturing that part. So while doing that machining and we have successfully completed this part, demonstrated that part. Now second improvement, we have gone for development new jig and fixture. Earlier that work we were doing by manual work. So manual work for doing a one hole it is required so many times. So for we have developed the new fixture in the use of the animal interpolation program. We have removed the material in the jig boring itself. So it will reduce the cost of standard man hour to the organization. Next. So during the machining, we faces a lot of challenges. First, due to the less of material in the orientation of the program component and the great direction issue. But with the consideration of all this and all the conditions satisfied, then we went to, and second challenge we face is the holding and the clamping, tool cutter length, warpage, and the maintaining the perpendicular and the linearity is the big challenges for us. So, and that part is fully certified and by the government process we have taken consideration from raw material to final stage with the CRI or RCMA clearance. So we got that tangible or intangible benefit of the part is that we have saved the material cost approximately 32,000 for one part, and that through designing of the new jig and fixture, it will be saving of cost the 5,20,000. So total we have saved the for 5,51,000 of the cost for making manufacturing of one part, because we know that part is under the design and the development stage. So we have manufactured only 4 parts still now for the naval prototype 1, 2, and 5, and 1 for testing STS, that is structural test specification. So total cost we are saving the 22 lakhs for manufacturing that 4 part in the CMCs of ARDC. A second intangible benefit we got, that technology innovation we got, because this is new first kind of technology we invented and manufactured in our shop. Second, patent. This is the patent is the we can go for in future for manufacturing of we can go for licensing for outside agency on the basis of the management decision. It will show our enhancement capability and the capacity of the organization, and it is creating the new business opportunity in the market. Next, it is going to extend to the nation. As we know, our government policy, the Make in India and the Atman market, it is to be supported to that our two policy of the government of India. In the indigenization, and India is the now 4th country we have the capability and the capacity on landing on the aircraft carriers. So it is fulfilling and the extending to the nation. So that technology can be implemented in the AMCA aircraft, in the LCA future coming aircraft, LCA Mark II. We are going for the LCA Navy versions. So it is giving the one kind of one fully extend to the nation, organization, and the department also. So now I am going to for conclusion. Just this technology fully demonstrated in aircraft carriers and on the arrestor system. So it is creating the new market, and arrestor system technology can be demonstrated and tested in the aircraft. Next is design and development new HA system will create the monopoly in the market for extend to the organization. HAL have the caliber and capacity to develop and manufacturing of the new technology and demonstration in aerospace sector to compete with the new aerospace trends. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So, Jury?
I have a question. I just want to know, was this decision of bringing down to 145 mm thickness out of compulsion, or is it desired because of non-availability of the material? Was it a compulsion, or it was a desired decision?
Yes, sir. This is the non-availability of materials. Actually, that part was planned.
So it was by compulsion. I would say it was by compulsion.
Right.
That the material was not available, then you had to go for this.
Yes. So we have changed the full manufacturing strategy itself.
Okay. Now, when did you finalize this entire technology? How old is this?
Actually, that 4 part we have manufactured, sir. Recently, that January, that 4 part we completed. And fully
this technology, when I say I want to know when this technology was actually validated.
Validated when the sky jump was completed on the aircraft carrier. Sky jump.
No, was it 1 year old validation, or it is just recently that this technology has been validated? I just want to know
1
that.
year old, sir.
1 year old.
But finally, one part recently we have manufactured and finalized.
And whatever 4 numbers of these arrestor hooks that you have manufactured,
yes,
have they been actually used in the field? Have they been installed in the rigs, or
yes,
on the? They have been installed.
Yes, sir. In aircraft carrier, and it is installed and successfully demonstrated. And the aircraft, the part is able to take the 4 to 4.5 times of the load of the aircraft.
Until now, these arrestor hooks were being imported, or still 165 mm they were being manufactured in India?
No. Now we are manufacturing all part in 155 mm. This is one kind of first manufactured in India itself. We are now nothing here.
No, earlier was it imported? Before
Yes.
this?
And earlier there was no technology, sir, for arrestor system. We were buying the aircraft, we are buying and purchasing from our full aircraft, we are buying from outside. So now for LCA aircraft, the full aircraft and along with that air arrestor system is good technology demonstrated in the manufacturer.
Okay.
For
Okay.
LCA,
Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So I guess we are done with the questions with the HL. So we'll move to the next presentation. So the next presentation is from Andhra Pradesh Police for the project Sarmanam. Do we have AP Police with us? Yeah.